Alright, everybody. So we were going to do this in the classroom, and I had waited before getting eggs to kind of see what was going on, but as soon as I was told that we weren't be going back, I contacted a chicken breeder about getting some eggs. Now, I can only get 13 with the short notice, but there's 13 eggs in the incubator. We're going to, next week, we'll do a process where we see how many are actually fertilized eggs, because the chicken lays an egg, it may or may not be fertile, and we'll deal with a lot of those questions over the course of the next few weeks. It does take 3 weeks, so 3 weeks from today, we're going to be looking at baby chicks, which will be a lot of fun. When we talk about the incubator, and we'll get into this more next week, but this egg is a baby that's developing outside of its mother. And so if you think about human babies, the mother provides all of the environment, all of the nutrients, all of the protection for that baby before it's born. With the egg, the shell provides the protection. The nutrients are inside the egg, which is what makes them such a healthy food choice. And the mom sitting on the egg keeps the temperature right. Well, when we get chicken eggs, we can put them in an incubator, but we have to have things like, if you see this dial here, that's the humidity on the left. And right now it needs to be between 30 and 55%, and we're at 41. Here's the temperature. Too much glare, sorry. And then also, if you remember from we watched the Eagles, the eagle would get up every now and then and rotate the egg. And there's a little arm right here that hooks into the tray. And I think every 20 minutes or so, that arm will turn, and because it's offset, it makes the tray slide from left to right. You can see the gap over here between the end of the tray that the eggs are in and the end of the incubator itself. So that tray slides back and forth, which makes the eggs roll. And it helps with controlling the gas that's building up inside there as the various cellular processes take place. And that egg is a semi-permeable membrane so that oxygen can come in and CO2 can come out as the cells perform cellular respiration and as the chick grows. It's pretty wild when you think about it. But anyway, we'll get into more details next week. Make sure you send to me your test question on homozygous, heterozygous, dominant, recessive, stuff like that. I've heard from only 1 or 2 people. But I want to get that in before we move to the dihybrid cross. Good morning, everybody. It's raining today, so don't go outside. Just kidding, you can't go outside anyway.